Hello, everybody. This is meteorologist Tori Goshi. It's about 1:45 on your Friday. Hopefully, everybody's had a great week. Weather right now, not terrible, but we are transitioning into some wintry mix as we head overnight. That's all associated with an ocean storm that's going to bring us some rain and then some snow showers throughout the overnight. And then we're looking at a pretty dry weekend with some more warmth ahead in the forecast. With that being said, if you are going to be heading out to maybe your house on the Cape this weekend, there is a winter weather advisory. You have some slick roads, especially late tonight and early first thing Saturday morning, because that's where you'll see majority of the snow. It's also going to be rather windy. You can see out on the Cape wind gusts between 55, 65 miles an hour. That is right now we're looking at a wind advisory for Block Island, and then there is the high wind warning out on the Cape. For much of Rhode Island, southeast Massachusetts, wind gusts around 35 to 45 miles an hour. So here is our ocean storm. You can see it's well off to our south. And as it continues to push further east, it's going to tighten up. You'll see those rings. Those are areas of atmospheric pressure. As those tighten up, it kind of shows that the storm is intensifying. Now, if this storm maybe was to the north by maybe 75 miles, we could probably be talking about some plowable snow in southern New England, but once again, it's a swing and a miss for much of us. Here's 5 o'clock on your Saturday morning. Light snow showers are tapering off from northwest to southeast. Still some decent light snow still falling on the Cape by 5. And then throughout the early afternoon, 3 o'clock, clouds clear out. Sun's going to start shining. And with that being said, any snow that falls overnight is likely going to melt rather quickly. Saturday and Sunday, looking pretty quiet there. So we'll go a little bit closer to home, tighten up that shot. You can see hour by hour forecast, 7 o'clock, widespread light rain, transitioning over to that wintry mix around midnight. Between midnight 3 in the morning, that's when we start to notice that change over to really all snow, with the exception of the immediate coastline around Narragansett Bay and anywhere from westerly through Narragansett. Otherwise, we're looking at temperatures just below freezing. Hometown Pasco, 28 degrees, 30 in Taunton, 30 in New Bedford. A little bit warmer there westerly, Block Island, around 31, 32 degrees. 7 o'clock in the morning, you're already noticing northwest Rhode Island clearing out of those snow showers. Some light flurries may still linger along the immediate coastline as those temperatures drop to just about the upper 20s. And then 3 in the afternoon, temperatures are going to jump back up into the 40s, and we're looking at plenty of sun. So once again, any of that snow is going to start to melt rather quickly, and it's likely going to accumulate on some of those grassier surfaces on the top of your car. We'll talk about snow totals in a second. This is how you break down for the evening forecast. 7 to 8 o'clock, we've got that late rain changing over to some wintry mix just before midnight. And here is that snowfall map. You can see really it's a coating to an inch on grassy surfaces, on your car, roads and driveways. It's been so warm, it really shouldn't stick much there. You may have a little bit of a dusting, but much of it will stick to the grass and on the roof of your car there, essentially. So that is the latest check at your weather now. Thanks for logging on, and Tony will be here starting at 5 with the latest.